And hello YouTube, this is GS Man Smart, and I'm today on a brand new video for tutorials of GS. Today's tutorial, we're taking a look at how to get apps from the Android on your computer and how you can play the apps on an Android, how you can basically use sort of a Android simulator on your laptop, on your computer. It's very easy to do, and you can basically use Snapchat, you can use Kik, you can use Facebook app, you can play Angry Birds, you can just whatever you want to do that is in the App Store on Android, you can basically do on your computer very easily. And what you'll need is something called BlueStacks. Now recently they actually released BlueStacks 2, which is great because it's an updated version of the regular BlueStacks. So all you gotta do is go ahead and click download BlueStacks 2 here. I'll leave the link to this in the description below. Now I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to go and download it again. It'll be finished downloading at the bottom here. And just go ahead and double click this and it will open up, and you should get the installation window running right here. Now once that finishes extracting, you'll basically get this window right here. Just go ahead and click next, go and click install here if you want to. You obviously want to have App Store access, so you want to have this, and you want to have application communications as well, so don't uncheck any of that. Install it. It'll prompt you for security to click yes or no, and this can take a bit time right here, so just have this open in the background while you're doing something else, or go ahead and go eat dinner or whatnot, because it can take a good 10-15 minutes to install this. At least the original BlueStacks did, so I don't know if they've increased the efficiency of it, but you are going to be giving an estimated time here, so and I guess to actually increase the efficiency of this, because it used to actually install a lot longer, but this is obviously step 1 of 4. So I'll be back when this finishes installing to guide you through the rest of the setup. So there we go. Once it finishes installing, and it still takes a pretty long time, it's like 10 minutes to install, so you'll see start BlueStacks is checked here. You can do that, and you can click finish, and this should start the application. You'll see that it also gives you a task tray at the bottom here. It'll give you an icon on the task tray, and here it basically is. You're given nice little tabs here, so you can have multiple apps open at once, and you can just click on here. These are just advertisements. You don't really need this. You probably don't even need this window here either, and you can maximize this if you want. And you'll see that on the Android tab here, this is where you're basically going to be using your app player. You can close the welcome page. Is there a way to close the welcome page? I don't think there is, or I don't really know. This is the first time using this new version. I've used the old version, but on the Android page here, this will take some time to load up also. There's a lot of loading involved when you have this app opening, so perhaps you may want to keep it open if you're using it consistently, and it'll basically bring you to this screen. Now if you want to download applications, you can just find one here that you like and you can download it. Also, your main apps, you can search at the very top, but you can search for applications with the orange magnifying glass, and say you wanted to download Snapchat, for example, go and press enter. It brings you to the Play Store. You can click Snapchat here, and you can install it here, and you can just continue here. It may ask you to import your email for Gmail, which is just fine. Just to go ahead and give them your Gmail account, because this is Android's by Google, so you have to give them a valid Gmail account if it's the first time using BlueStacks. If you've already used BlueStacks before, then it obviously has everything saved already. But that's basically it. That's how you get applications. That's how you install the things, and pretty easy to use. If for some reason BlueStacks 2 doesn't work for you, if you're on Windows 10 or on Windows 7, then I do recommend using BlueStacks 1. You can download BlueStacks 1 still. It should be on the website. I know that one works very well. That's the one I use if I need to, like if I'm using an application that I want to use on Android on my computer. I usually use BlueStacks 1. BlueStacks 2 tends to be a little glitchy. I can already see while I'm using it a little bit here, so I think I'm going to stick with BlueStacks 1. But essentially, BlueStacks 1 and BlueStacks 2 will give you the power to do all this stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. Any questions or comments, any suggestions, leave in the comments section below. I'll definitely be down there answering them. And yeah, plenty of other software tutorials on the channel right now. Other tutorials coming soon as well. So I encourage you to subscribe. And thank you for watching as always. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out in any way. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It'll really help me out. If you didn't like it, you can leave a comment as well, giving some feedback. If you have any other comments or questions, please leave them in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to answer them. I usually respond to comments within 24 to 48 hours, depending on your question and depending on how busy I am. I have plenty of other content on my channel about different software tutorials and how-to videos, so if you're interested in that type of stuff, check it out. And if you like what you're seeing, you can subscribe too. Really appreciate it. You can also check out my other channels and social media as shown on the screen right now. And with that, thank you so much, everyone. And this is GS Man Smart, and I'll be back sooner than you think. Don't go anywhere.